Welcome to Homeoed, your gateway to excellence in homeopathic education. In this presentation, we'll take a closer look at the range of courses we offer to help you achieve your academic and professional goals. Homeoed is committed to providing comprehensive education in homeopathy. With a team of experienced educators and a learner-centric approach, we aim to create the next generation of our homeopathic practitioners. In the line of third year, we have the third year crash course, which contains the third year allied as well as the homeopathic subjects. Next is the third year regular course, giving a detailed knowledge of all the third year subjects. Then comes the test series for BHMS third year students. For third year, we also have two specialized courses, that is, a course of surgery where the subject of surgery is explained and elaborated in a very deep manner. The course of obstetrics and gynecology is meant to dive deep into the subject where the students can gain an extensive knowledge.